Stop waiting. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Life is not about what happens to me. Life is about how do I think? How do I see? How do I understand, observe, and feel? How to talk? How should I behave? When something wants to happen, it will happen. It will happen. You know, things don't wait for me or for you or for anyone else. This is so important. You have to understand. That's why I shouldn't wait. I will not wait. I waited a lot. Life does not change by waiting. You should understand. You know, I have to prepare myself. I have to prepare myself. This can change my life. And I need, I need to pay attention to the smallest things. So, just start, do it, and now, and finish what you've started. Okay? Dear Unique, always remember there is only one you. Okay? If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Like, share, subscribe, and be in the shelter of God's love always, forever and beyond. Love you. Amira Rani Ashrafadini.